In few words, we give our fund managers a hard time. We give them a hard time. We ask them to, rationalize their portfolios. Investment committees, spend a lot of time on strategies, and when they're brought to investment committee, and that's sort of a joint work between all branches of the company, from strategy and research to investment teams, asset management, finance, legal. Just rationalizing, what do you intend to do with the portfolio, and how does that fit with the client's needs? And then we give a hard time to deal support teams, when they actually bring an asset to add to the portfolio. We've talked about the strategy for a fund. Why do you keep that asset? We really spend a lot of time, asking, we think, pretty naive questions, but I think they're the right questions to ask. What does that mean, for your portfolio? What happens if? It doesn't mean, we're not asking, do you think that will happen? We're asking the question, what happens if that happens? And, going back to your question about Brexit, as soon as, that was a known unknown, and then we very, very quickly went to our portfolio managers and asked them, what happens if? How do you deal with your portfolio? And we have a number of tools going from, risk webs, going to, simulation of our cash flows, may lead to, taking hedging positions, of course, if you want to make sure you have that level of cash on cash or income.